Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, ole, ole, buruku, ole, nie, ole. Hey. Una actor don't come again, oh. Una actor don't come. Now una actor. Now una see they watch a film. I don't watch the last film of Yo when I watched before he announced Juju Ekwensu. That was this last film I watched. I never watched Yo film since then. So una wey dey watch im film, una actor don commit another one. Hey. Make una carry joko, carry chair, make una come hear tori o. Yo, chai. Which day this court go grant me Edochie divorce? Let her divorce from this man. Let this man go his own way. Is it that this man want to put me Edochie into trouble or what? My people, take your time to listen to this my video. Hey, tori full ground. Yo don't do again. Like you all know, May Edochie can never come to drag this man. Even May Edochie family. May Edochie is from a very responsible family. This family, they know what is integrity. So they are not the kind of people that will come and drag you for social media. If to say na Juju Ekwensu family, this news now since yesterday now for the discuss and come. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. I pray may God free me Edochie. Comot from this yo hand. If wickedness was to be called a name, therefore they call her yo Daniel. Now therefore they call her. Because the wickedness of yo, nobody can explain this to me. Oh, this is wickedness. Pure wickedness. If person close the eye, do you bad. Close your nose, give am back. You see this yo, it get like say, May Edochie, they are from a good family. A very good family. By this time, yo for don't collect. My lovely fans, as you can see, this is May Edochie elder sister. Na una dey see for here. May Edochie elder sister is into real estate. Yes. This woman, she gets her own personal job. She have 2 jobs. I don't know whether she get others. The one why I don't know tell now. So I can't say she have 2 jobs. I will say I know for now she have 2 jobs. I don't really know all the jobs she do. One of that job is contractor. She's a contractor. You see, when you want to build a house, you just buy land. You give her the land. They will survey it. They will give you what they will tell you the kind of house they build there, the way they will design it. They'll give you reach 5 options. You will choose. After you choose, then they will ask you they will tell you if you want to know how much to build that full house. They will tell you, they'll calculate. I don't know how they did one. They will calculate and they'll tell you. But if you say you want it step by step, they will still tell you the step by step how much it will cost. So you don't already know, say, oh, this house, I'm going to build it for 30 million, 20 million, 10 million, 5 million. People, they build house for 3 million. Depend on what you want to build. So they will tell you the price. This is what she do as a part-time. As this is one of the job she also do. And you know very well, say this woman is a big contractor. Now you, my lovely sister, carry a 2-legged this Benz. Live in Dubisi, live Universal Thunder. You live Stagbinke for house. You no go greet them. You no go see them. He carry a 2-legged this Benz. Giri. Go May Edochie sister office. I know some people will be telling me it did not happen today. It did not happen. Just listen. You will know how it happened when it happened. Some people will just come down, right? I thought they say yo is in Asaba. Listen first, oh. So, yo carry 2-legged this Benz. He can't go meet May Edochie sister. Meanwhile, according to what they said, May Edochie sister have a big office there in Abuja. So yo went to May Edochie sister office. As he reached there, the gate man say, Oga yo. They open gate for him. Because why? They know that he is their madam, sister, husband. They feel they go there. So then they don't know, say, these people, they don't scatter. Gate man open door, security, they open door, yo enter. As yo enter, Oga, say, we want to see May Edochie sister. Now they come say, okay. make them go tell me Edoshe sister. They read there, they told the secretary. The secretary told me Edoshe sister. Now that one was okay. Make the letter in. Call letter in, consider. Say sit down, secretary come carry and go meet me Edoshe sister. As he reached there, me Edoshe sister greet him. Now they greet each other. He say he come for business. This one why they tell una so. If you see the way you take dress go, hey, oh guinea. If you see the way you dress go, I don't know whether you go borrow perfume. They say if you see the expensive perfume, where you use spray for body, can't dress, be like Udogu. Can't go meet me Edoshe sister. As he reach there, I can't tell me Edoshe sister say now business, now he just carry come. Now me Edoshe sister say that's very good of you. What can she do? Now he can't tell me Edoshe sister say he get one land. He want to make me Edoshe sister survey the land, give her ideas of building that they can build on the land, and he wants me Edoshe sister to take that contract to help him to build the house and finish the house. Now me Edoshe sister can say how many houses? He say just one. Now me Edoshe sister say no, they know they build one house for you. It's either you have like 5, 10, 6, 20, 30, that kind of contracts that they carry. When they carry contract for one house, say make you check another place. Now you say, he see many places before he come meet you. Go. He see many places. God, they use sugar coat mat. He see different places, but he decide to come to you. You know, say this work, you not champion. That's why he come meet you. Now you want me to do the work. My lovely fans, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, my lovely fans, now me Edoshe sister say, he say he trust you. You can't tell me Edoshe sister say, he knows say now only you fit do this work. That's why he can't give you. I beg. Now me Edoshe sister come ask, okay, who is the owner of the land? Is it you? Or he say no. He say na person I get the land. So you won't help the person. Now me Edoshe sister come say, okay. Say he go do and say, now I can tell you say normally they know they do one land. But because of you, he send his people there, his workers there, may they go survey the land, then they check the land. Now you can say, okay, they can't greet each other. They can't come out. You can't come out. So, as you come out, me Edoshe sister can call blessing. During the time where this thing happen, it was during the time of December when me Edoshe traveled to London. Una remember? That was when me Edoshe was in London with her children. Now blessing can't tell. Now blessing. Now me Edoshe sister, as you come out, me Edoshe sister can call blessing. The other sister, I can't call blessing. Can't tell blessing say, you won't believe what happened. I don't want to say wait. He say you just they come up for your office. Now blessing say for what? Wait if I come. Now I can't explain. Give blessing. Now blessing can't tell the other sister say, he not trust this man. No, I beg sister, be very careful. You for just tell her say una no they do one house. You for not just accept at all. Now if you not help and build, make it just help for the design and everything. Now blessing can say, okay, but auntie, be very careful of that man. Like that man, since when that man involve himself with all these juju things, like anything about that man. Now me Edoshe sister can say she here. As you don't follow me Edoshe sister talk, they supposed send that money to even talk to her. You have to pay. It's office work. You have to pay. And for them to go and survey the land, you need to pay something into the account. Something like 100,000, 50,000 for them to do this work for you, the surveying and everything. They pay. You not pay me Edoshe Eda sister. Me Edoshe Eda sister can say, okay, me go survey the land. They can't go, you can't send the boys, they go, you send the workers, they go survey the land. Come. As those one come, they tell me Edoshe sister say, they don't know where this kind of land they own. Now inside forest. Far away from Abuja. Now me Edoshe sister say, how do they go build us inside that place? Now the people say they tired, but they see say a lot of people, they don't build house for inside that far place from Abuja. Now me Edochie sister come say, okay, problem no dey, they will solve. They will go control the land. Because be that she's into real estate, before they buy land, they do all these houses, they control. They control where. So me Edochie sister come go do a research for that land. And they found out that that land is government land. All those government land where they inside bush. Now these people don't be say that they buy them, then they go grab them. They'll come quick build house puts. For their mind, government no go claim that land again. As long as they don't build house puts. So you see how these houses where government they come they scatter they start. So all this land now government land. Government land where they go they grab. Some go grab and they go even they sell, they give people. On a very cheap rate. They'll say, now outside Abuja, it's cheap because it's outside Abuja. Don't worry, very soon, everywhere go open eye. Whereas that land now government land. Who know whether you don't even say give people? Hey! Now it make me say make they divorce me Edochie. Make this man no go carry wahala come. You know, say when husband and wife still marry, they never divorce. If wahala come, believe you me, they will definitely come and say, where is the wife? Hey, thank God say they don't do separation. But let this divorce just go on. Make me Edochie just totally free from this Yul Daniel. Make me Edochie just free for this Daniel hand. Hey, wonder shall never end. So me Edochie sister decided to go and see the land. Now so she take find out say land na government land. Government land where they go they kpaki, where they go they kolobi from government hand. Now you carry come give am. Now me Edochie sister, they don't already get the clip of everything where they happen. She no even tell you, she no even talk anything. So now I can't tell you say you can't carry the project of the house where they want to do everything, go give you 5 projects like that. Add the house, the kind of house where they want. She can't produce 5 projects. Come send go give you say me you choose one for inside. You can't choose. After you choose, you can't tell and say see the one way you want. Now they can't ask you say you want the full price of everything or you want half. Now you say now half you want to do and starting from the foundation. Then from the foundation they'll go the next step. Now me Edochie sister can say okay, no problem. So after me Edochie sister don't say okay, now me Edochie sister can't tell you say for the foundation can't tell you money where they will take do foundation and everything. You can say no problem, go send them. Me Edochie sister no see money, you no see a lot. Me Edochie sister no still call am, no even ask am because the woman already know. Say this whole thing no clear. The next thing you can call me Edochie sister say, he dey very busy. He has a meeting with Seyi Tinubu. He have meeting with the senators. They want to discuss something about politics. You know he's into politics, and they want to discuss something about politics, and because of the upcoming election and all. Now he can't tell. Well, let me laugh small. Now he can't tell me Edochie sister say wetin go happen. Make me Edochie sister use her money take go do the foundation. If he come, he go settle me Edochie sister. Now me Edochie sister say he never understand. He say, make me Edochie sister go dey build. Make go dey do the foundation. Before they do and go far, he go come back. Hey, wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, can you imagine? You say make me Edochie sister use her money to do foundation. They say me Edochie sister sit down and say, are you sure this man is okay? You say you want builders, you don't have money to do foundation. How you want to build us? Me Edochie sister self come confused. Are you sure this man is okay? What is really going on? Hey, my lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Now so me Edochie sister can't ignore you. You can't continue to dey call me Edochie sister. Please do it now. He's busy. Now there me Edochie sister can't tell you say you send money come. Person wey dey busy to do transfer is just a second. It will not cost you anything. If you're ready for them to do anything on that land, you send money. Send money. Now you can't tell me Edochie sister say the person will get the land anyway. The person a politician, big politician for that matter. and the person is ready to pay anything, but the person right now is not in town. So if May Edoshe's sister want to do the work, she should do the work. The gain wey she go give for inside not be small. Say if that politician just come now, they will return, will pay May Edoshe's sister double. Now May Edoshe's sister tell you say him don hear. But the fact still remain until you bring money. 10 kobo cannot be removed from there. Now you could tell me Edoshe's sister say, okay, just do lay the foundation first. Then it will reach out to you. Now me Edoshe's sister say, just bring the money first. Then they will do the foundation. It is very easy. Wonder shall never end. When you see say he plan no work, you not call me Edoshe's sister again. He not call. Because he know say they don't cash him. He can't quiet, he can't pretend as if nothing happened. Hey, wonder shall never end though. Now they say bless, he can't go call you. Bless, he can't tell you say you. So you feel say you go just come. You go use her elder sister to build house una thief, government land una kolobi for inside bush. Now you say no, it's not like that. Now they say bless, he ask you say it's not like that, it's like how. This your 419. Eh? I thought you and me Edoshe not dey again. Which audacity do you even have to call her sister? Make her sister come build that for you. Now later they can't find out oh. Those government land, na kolobi de you go kolobi. They say na ya and Juju Eko isu go together. You know say that one anything where they call ole ni another for the sea. As a thief husband, they won't even see go thief government land. Hey! Wonder shall never end. They say na ya and Juju Eko isu government. Two of them go thief government land. They don't thief finish, they don't get money to build. You can't sit down. You can't remember say me Edoshe's sister is into estate. Wait for you tell the woman, say, please help me. Maybe the woman for help her. Who knows? You can't tell. But you won't go use brain, 419 brain. You see what Juju Eko Isu they follow this man, they plan. They won't go use brain. They use me Edoshe's sister, they build house. Because according to what we heard, they say sometimes they may Edoshe's sister, they'll just build house from the beginning to the end on contract. But remember, she's a real estate. And before she do such a thing, there is an agreement. If you don't pay them their money, they seize the house. They have lawyers. Anybody where they deal with house problem, they always have lawyers. If you can't afford it, and they build it, and you do not pay them back, they will seize the house. Both the land and the house belong to them. So you won't use that status on me Edoshe's sister. Hey! Wonder they say shall never end, my lovely fans. Una see una ole buruku. They won't use me Edoshe's sister to design a jam mansion for inside forest. For government land. Government land. They say na they rain for them now. They pack government land for inside bush. They go pack it and they will even sell. They give some people. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you. Inshallah.